Hey guys, Chef Garces here. I'm looking forward to making you my favorite breakfast item. For my blueberry yogurt parfait, we need delicious blueberries, fresh mint here, Greek yogurt, some honey, green apples, some sliver toasted almonds, and store-bought granola. We're going to take some of our yogurt, just gonna add a little bit of honey to this. I'm gonna take a whisk, and I whisk it around. Now what I have here is what's called a Japanese mandolin. And why I like this tool is that it creates a lot of volume. Now, if you don't have a Japanese mandolin, I'm gonna take the end of the apples, take them one by one. These are just apple slices. I'll take my knife, kind of square them off again, and then we'll come back. A little more work, but can be done. And I'm just gonna take some of this mint, roll them up, and then just using my knife, julienne, and add the mint into the apple, a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then we're just gonna toss this around. So before we put the blueberries into the mix, let's bring my friend, Dr. Mazafarian, to talk about all the benefits that blueberries give you.
Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids like anthocyanins, which is what gives blueberries their deep blue color. Anthocyanins are linked to better brain health, to lower risk of hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes, and lower risk of weight gain and obesity.
We're basically ready to build. I'm gonna start by putting a little bit of that honey yogurt, then we'll top it with our green apple salad. Obviously our star here is the blueberries, as many blueberries as you'd like. Then for some textural components, just some store-bought granola and some sliced toasted slivered almonds. So easy, so simple, so delicious. Enjoy your yogurt blueberry parfait.